人少风景好的小城上哪搜？小红书。好吃不排队的餐馆上哪搜？小红书。
And yes, today we are going to talk about Xiao Hong Shu Red Note. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the most popular social media platforms in China, Xiao Hong Shu, also known as Red Note. So who am I to talk about Xiao Hong Shu? Basically, my wife is a Chinese and I'm very fortunate to know how China's social media platform works from her and have since grown my business and followers on Xiao Hong Shu. So what makes Xiao Hong Shu the most underrated social media platform in 2025? There are 4 parts. First is the user demographics. There are around 300 million monthly active users on Xiao Hong Shu with a gender ratio of 7:3, female to male. The platform's user base consists of 50% born in the 90s and 35% Gen Z. Users from first and second tier cities account for 50%. The community has over 80 million active content sharers with a daily search penetration rate reaching up to 60%, with user-generated content making up to 90%. Secondly is the geographical distribution. Over half of users are from tier 1 or tier 2 cities in China such as Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, which are cities of high purchasing power. So Xiao Hong Shu also attracts international users, particularly in Southeast Asia, like for example me from Singapore, and there are definitely also an increase in users from America and Europe countries. Hence, for people who are looking to do businesses with China or internationally, this is definitely a platform you will not want to miss out. Thirdly is organic reach. If you understand supply and demand concept for social media, take note that Xiao Hong Shu is currently still quite new to international users, although it is already 11 years old at the time of this video, or 12 years old actually. And platforms tend to be still generous in giving organic reach to attract more users into the platform to supply more content. Fourth will be search functions. Xiao Hong Shu has accurate and very great search function, and it kind of gives you a more easy to use and to see and to feel as compared to other platforms, for example Instagram or Facebook. If you search for the same keyword in these 2 different platforms as compared to Xiao Hong Shu, but not in terms of language but more on the keyword itself, you will notice that Xiao Hong Shu is much straightforward, which is quite similar to TikTok actually. So in China, the platform is categorized as young and vibrant, a national life guide, and has a unique community ecosystem, giving it a strong penetration power and brand universality, and it has become a key area for nurturing and engaging consumers. Hence, this is definitely one of the potential platforms you should be investing your time and effort into posting if you are doing local businesses, you are small and medium enterprise in your country. So for more questions or tips on Xiao Hong Shu, do give our channel a like and subscribe, and I look forward to sharing more insights on Chinese social media marketing with you, and I'll see you again